Hey everyone, Mr. A here. So, in this first video, we are going over the Scratch interface. So, some of y'all may have heard of Scratch. So, in order to access Scratch, we're going to go ahead and open any browser and we're going to go ahead and type in Scratch, right? And once we type in Scratch, usually we'll go into the first link right here. But for today, we have a special link that we will be using so you can create an account and add to our class. So what that link is, if you go ahead and just copy it as I type as well, it'll be tinyurl.com/sdd7qjk. And we hit enter. So once you type in the link, you will be brought to this screen right here. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click Get Started. So we're going to be creating our own username. So in this case, I will be creating my own username and password. So I will go with abean428 and my password. And then we're going to go ahead and hit next step. And then we're going to go ahead and just create our birth year. Do all that good stuff, United States of America. And we're going to hit next step. And once we create our account, it's going to bring us back to that original homepage. So we're going to do what we did earlier. Go ahead and type in Scratch, right? And then we're going to go ahead and click on that first link right there. And with our account, we are going to be able to sign in, right? So with the account we just made, go ahead and type it in. Awesome. So welcome to Scratch. So let's go ahead and create a project. So with Scratch, you're able to program anything you want, games, cool little quizzes, and all that good stuff. So let me introduce you more into the interface so it can be a lot easier to understand. So what is going on here? So here we have our sprite, kind of like our main character, right? And it's living in our stage. Here our stage is pretty much our background, our backdrop, right? And then we also have our sprite, which is our main character, right? So that's our sprite living in our stage. And right here to our left, we have our coding blocks. So these coding blocks are used to create any code, right? So we'll go ahead and talk about that more in the later videos, but this is just showing you where everything is located, right? So these are our coding blocks, and these coding blocks go into our coding space right over here. So if you wanted to program something, you can go ahead and pretty much select the code blocks you want and then have it sit here and connect the blocks so you can actually have a line of code, right? So this pretty much just showing you how the coding space works. And here we also have a backpack. What this backpack is, sometimes code can get very repetitive. So if you don't want to rewrite the code over and over and over again, we can go ahead and use our backpack. And then we will talk about that more in a later video. So this is the Scratch interface. This is the beauty. This is where all the magic happens. Hope you enjoyed the video and leave a comment with the favorite games you like to play and why do you like playing them.